True story, guys, I almost lost my drone. No kidding. To know the backstory behind this, I would recommend y'all to watch this video completely. But before jumping into the video, I would like to announce a couple of things here. The first thing is I am completely overwhelmed with your positive response and tremendous feedback on my first video. Thank you so much, guys. Appreciate it. And the second thing is, in this video I have actually given the voiceover description and reviewed this place. Also, I have given the details in this description as well in this video, so please make sure to check those links out.
Oh my god! Wow!
If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, share my content, and also subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment down below and turn on the notifications. I'll be looking forward for your response. Until then, peace out. Hey there everyone, it's me, your boy Vicky here from Desi. I hope y'all are doing good. So today I bought a very interesting video to share it with you guys. It's basically we are traveling to Lonesome Lake. So please buckle it up, guys. It's going to be a fun ride today. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. So we finally reached to Franconia State Park. It took us 2.5 to 3 hours of drive from Boston to New Hampshire, and the parking and recreation center were actually available close by. So like you can see it, the people were actually parking to the spots, and I have also given the details in the description. Please check it out, guys. And we did hike for around 3 to 3.5 hours, covering 2.1 miles to reach to the Lonesome Lake Trail, to reach to the Lonesome Lake. So the first 3 hours was pretty decent, but then the last 30 minutes was like super steep. So here's the magnificent view of the white mountains in the background, and the water in the lake is actually reflecting the blue color from the skies. What a magnificent view, guys. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. If you do, then please give it a thumbs up. And I'm just astonished by this pleasant view. I literally was staring at this for at least minutes, and my friends were like, wow, we're all super excited, and yeah, there were no words actually. And yeah, we're so grateful that we found this place. And this region comes under part of the White Mountains National Forest, so which is completely surrounded by mountains. As you can see, this Lonesome Lake is actually completely covered with the trees and then surrounded by all the mountains. This actual width of this lake is 12.2 acres, which makes it close to 9 football fields. So yeah, as you can see, people were actually getting into the waters, and they were enjoying the water after a strong walk or heavy walk. The depth of this lake is actually 8 feet, and people are actually, we have seen people enjoying the waters, and there were some ducks and other water birds as well seen in this small lake. So I would definitely recommend you guys to check this place out. So it is surrounded by mountains such as Mount Lafayette and Mount Liberty and Cannon Mountains. There are at least like 10 or 15 mountains on average that are actually surrounding this Lonesome Lake alone. So yeah, if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I have also given all the details in the description below. So if you have any questions, you can just post them in the comments as well. If you are looking for a spot like weekend getaway spot, or just to get away from your regular busy lifestyle and to spend some time with nature by yourself, or with your loved ones, then there is a facility here that's provided. It's for the accommodation I'm referring to. So you can actually stay with your loved ones here for overnights or for a couple of nights, where you can actually block the reservations online. I have provided the links in the description below. So it's called Lonesome Lake Hut, where you can actually stay in for overnights or a couple of nights, and you do have the food, boarding and lodging and stuff. So people do stay here for overnight stays with their loved ones, and the view from this particular hut would be like so amazing. It's kind of like top view to the White Mountains, and you can actually experience the night view and daytime view as well. I'm just surprised looking at their schedule. Actually, they are open 365 days. Due to the pandemic, they have changed their schedule, but you can always check their website online, which I have provided in the links below, and you can see the way how the cottages actually looks from the inside view. It's good for couples, family, and like for friends. Jump on to the story on how I almost lost my drone, guys. So I was flying this drone for almost like 50 minutes. Maximum limit of this drone is actually 60 minutes, 60, and I almost flew it for like 55 or something. And by the time I realized that the battery was actually low, the drone was on the other side of the lake. Literally, you can see it in the shot here. It was in the other side of the lake, and there's no way I could actually bring it back. So I had to hit on the auto landing, and it just landed by itself. I don't know where it landed. I couldn't even see it with the naked eye. So the only thing we could see was the last seen coordinates that were sent to my phone, and using that we did search for around 45 minutes, and finally we managed to find the drone in the woods, guys. Like there was kind of relief, and thanks to technology, and that's how I found my drone. And that's the story, guys. And if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to comment down below what's the best part you liked, or what would you like to know or see in the next videos. And I'll be looking forward for your response as always. Subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification. Thank you guys for watching, and there are some extras that were linked in for the end. Please do check them out, and if you haven't watched my first video ad, please do give it a shot. I have linked it in the description above. Thank you guys. Bye bye.